Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install Android Pie in your Redmi Note 5 from MIUI 10. Hello friends, this is my Redmi Note 5 and it is running on MIUI 10. I'll show you about phone. This is Redmi Note 5. It is running on MIUI 10 Global Stable. This is the stable version of the ROM. See, this is running on Android 8.1.0 Oreo. Now we are going to flash this ROM into Android Pie. I'll show you a very easy and a very simple method. Just one file you need, that's all. So let's go into the TWRP mode or the recovery mode. See, you will get this screen when you boot it to the recovery mode. Now I'll tell you how to go into the recovery TWRP recovery mode. First we have to open the command prompt. Then we have to type cd and the destination of the folder. EDB folder. Type the fast boot devices. Now type. Now we have to type fastboot flash recovery name of the file .img. Just press enter. Okay, done. Okay, let's see that we have installed the TWRP recovery. For that we have to press the power button and the volume up button together. Okay guys, this is the main screen of TWRP. First what we have to do, we have to wipe, go to format data, press yes. Then go to advanced wipe. Now what we have to do is, we have to press everything except microSD. Press Delve, system, data, internal storage, cache. Now swipe to wipe. Go back. Now mount everything: system, data, cache, cust, firmware, persist and vendor. Go back. Go to install. Select the storage, microSD. Go there. Now select the file which we are going to flash. This is the only file you need, that's it. Just flash. The above zip file is in my description. Okay, this is done now. Then we have to press wipe, cache and Dalvik. Wipe that. Now just reboot into the system, that's all. Yeah. This is the new Google logo screen, boot image. This is the easiest method on YouTube. You'll find how to flash Android Pie on your Redmi Note 5 or Redmi 5 Plus. We have booted into the home screen. It shows some error. There is an internal problem with your device. It's okay. See, this is Android Pie. It will say update preferred SIM card. I'll say yes. Now this is the Android Pie. I'll show you the version on Redmi Note 5. Go to about phone, Android version 9. This is the easiest method you will find. See how smooth the ROM is. Let's go to the gestures. See, let's open some apps. RAM optimization is also very good. I've got an Antutu score of 83,000, which is the highest I've got in any ROM. See, it is working on mobile data, LTE. I have not switched on my Wi-Fi yet. I'll switch on my Wi-Fi. Yeah, Wi-Fi is working fine. Very good. You can change the wallpapers here.